Hi everybody, it's Kevin Canessa from The Observer, theobserver.com. This is the scene of the fire from a couple of weeks ago at Devon Street and Midland Avenue. And as you can see, they are demolishing the building here. There are workers on the third floor who are throwing things out of this window from the inside, and part of the roof appears to have already been taken off. Over here, as you can see, it's all pretty much open, but they're pulling everything down. I guess, at the time of the fire, they said that the building was uninhabitable, but it's pretty obvious that it would probably have to be coming down now. There's a sign here. It says demolition in progress, to keep everybody aware of what's going on here, just in case. But I wanted to just bring this to you. This is a pretty nasty fire a couple of weeks ago right here. And so as you can see, this is what's happening. I'll just give you a few seconds without me talking so you can see a little bit of what's going on here. Remarkably, 2 weeks after the fire, still a very, very pungent odor over here. Not sure how much you can see here, but there are guys up on the third floor who are throwing things out using shovels.